Now I will explain. I will solve this bonus using a dollar sign, which is called absolute difference. So first I will multiply this into 10%. So it's 10. But if I drag down, then it will show zero value. Yeah, because it's multiplied with this column. And this column is empty. So I have to lock this column. Uh, like I will add the dollar sign from function f4. Yeah, so it's locked. So it's done. Now if I drag down, yeah, it's showing this. Now again, if I, let's say I want to count 5% without multiplying by using this formula, then if I, let's say simply, yeah, it's showing 1 because it counts 10%, not 5, because it's calculating only n, not o. So I need to remove dollar sign from the n, so it will change to this. But the problem now is created is this value is also, it's counting based on calculation one, not salary. So I need to log the k as well. So shift 4. Now if I, let's say, do, yeah, so it's done. But states, now if I, let's say, drag down, yeah, so it's done now. So using absolute difference, I can log the specific cell